Hey, dude. Oh, hey, dude. Where do you get your sounds from? You mean sounds like these? That's exactly what I'm thinking. I just kind of want to know where. Oh, I know. You mean sounds like these.
Taxi!
Hey, I'm walking here. It's not so much the what, it's more of the where do you get them from? What about these sounds? Where? Not what? Where? Not what kind of sounds? Where do you get the sound? Who's laughing right now? This is killing. Okay, enough! Not what? Where? I like the sounds you have. Just tell me where you get them, please. Why didn't you just say that in the first place? I get my sounds from Sound Ideas. They got all the high quality sound effects you need, even music too. Sound Ideas!